My name is Greg Burchell. I'm one of the owners at Southeastern Computer Associates.
Hi, my name is Ben Miner, and I'm one of the owners at Southeastern Computer Associates. Since 1995, Southeastern Computer Associates has been providing technology support, computer support, backup solutions for small businesses in the Atlanta area. SCA is different in that your typical IT company charges you to resolve an issue. Our goal is the reverse. We want to provide you an environment with fewer issues.
We're passionate about helping our customers because at the end of the day, the fewer issues that you have, the more profitable we are. We feel our business model of providing you a flat rate puts the carrot in the right place.
If you're watching this video right now, please go to the website, fill out the form, and we'll schedule that free network assessment. That no-brainer offer is that we will replace your aging desktops for $1. There are no onboarding fees. And that first month of unlimited support is free.
You'll love working with Southeastern Computer Associates because we'll replace your slow computers, no onboarding fees, and the first month of unlimited support is free.